So good morning from some place in Norway. It's very hard to pronounce the place names and it is very hard to know where we are, but we are somewhere in the south of Norway. We just stayed across this road. The place where we put the tent, there was no washroom or something. So we are here in a petrol station. This is the view what we have from here. Bread dough, spread dough, pear and grapes. This is how we eat our breakfast with a view. Those people in the flight are gonna get one hell of a view from top. All the ice which is being melted is coming in form of waterfall, and believe me, there are hell lot of waterfalls on every top of the mountain. People over here are enjoying their life, if you ask me. They have such a beautiful view. Someday I'm gonna come over here with a bike for sure. So we are somewhere in Glacier or something. I'm not spelling the place name properly, but this is a lake which is completely frozen. Flying my drone. So we just stopped by to get the petrol filled. The petrol is too expensive over here. It is 22.19, which is almost 180 to 200 rupees. We are heading to a place which is the third largest city in Norway. The trip, I have not planned anything, so I'm just following what Samarth says. The tunnels over here are amazing. They have a lot of tunnels over here. Yesterday we passed the tunnel which was 25 kilometers and it is the world's longest tunnel. We knew it until someone said it to us today. So we are just waiting for the ferry which is there, which is coming to pick us up, and it's gonna drop us to that place. I'm just not sure how much they are gonna charge because it deducts automatically and we'll only come to know at the end of our trip, so not sure. So the time is almost 10 o'clock. We're all done for today. That's the car. This is where we have put the tent. Good morning. It's 7:40. It actually rained pretty much yesterday, but it was not too cold, which was a good thing. But now it is really cold. We are going to a place where we can take bath. Let's see if she's gonna allow us or not. ಏನತ್ತೀಯ ಸಮರ್ಥ?
Have to live on wheels.
Have to live on wheels. This is how you live on wheels. You get bread.
Chocolate hazelnut spread.
Yeah.
This is an ice cream stick.
Jugaad chamcha ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Pear. Yeah. We also have grapes. We also have banana. Oh yeah. There you go. See. This is how we save money. Yeah. So we are in Ålesund, third largest city in Norway. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮರ್ಥನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಾನೆ. ನಾ ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಬಾಲಾಂಗುಚ್ಚಿಗತ್ತೆ ಹೊಂಟೆ. ಡ್ರೈವರ್ನ I only drive. He doesn't drive. Yeah. I'm only the driver. Yeah. I am designated driver, so he's not driving. Only I'll be driving now. Has quite a lot of history. The whole place was actually burned down in 1904. So they rebuilt it. So this is the viewpoint of So we are waiting for another ferry. That is the ferry and we are gonna supposed to get there, which is actually too far. Let's see how many minutes it's gonna take. You can park the car up and you can come down. You have a cafeteria where you can also use the toilets if you want to, and you have food where you get things and with a view. It looks scary. The weather is not good as it was yesterday. It's almost cloudy today. But look at the color difference of Fanta over here. It's pure yellow. The Fanta in India is orange. Use color to make it look like Fanta, but this is the original color. ಏನಂದಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಂಡಿಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕತ್ಲಾಕ್ ನಾವು ಗಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕತ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಊರಾಗ ಟನಲ್ ಈ ನಮ್ನಿ ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ. ಟನಲ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಟ್ಟಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ದಿವಸ ಸಮರ್ಥ. So we are in the Atlantic Ocean Road. It is considered as one of the best roads around the world. So that is the Atlantic Ocean Road.
ನಾನಿನ್ಗ ಹೊಡ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.